Recovering financial data from a GBQ6 backup file. This is a backup file from a popular personal finance application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Quicken backup files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical GBQ6 data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. GBQ6 files are backup files created by Quicken personal finance software, storing complete financial data backups for protection against data loss. They contain accounts, transactions, investments, budgets, reports, and configurations from Quicken sessions. GBQ6 files use Quicken's proprietary backup format, mirroring the structure of standard Quicken data files with compression. The format includes account information, transaction, history, investment data category lists, and user preferences for complete restoration of Quicken financial workspaces. To maintain file fidelity, use Quicken developed by Quicken Inc. to open GBQ6. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows is unable to preview encrypted or compressed backups, so specialty tools are needed. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the GBQ6 file and choose Open With. If Quicken is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different GBQ6 variants. If the GBQ6 file won't open, don't panic. Failure of the main program tells us the GBQ6 error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, restoring in Quicken. Install Quicken from Quicken Inc. and launch the application. Use File, then Restore Backup File, and select the GBQ6 file. Quicken extracts the backup and restores all financial data to the application, providing immediate access to accounts, transactions, and reports. Next, renaming extension. If Quicken doesn't directly recognize GBQ6, try renaming the extension to QDF Backup or QDF. Right-click the file, select Rename, and change the extension. The rename file may open through Quicken's standard data file handling for restoration. Finally, contacting Quicken support. For corrupted or version-incompatible GBQ6 files, contact Quicken customer support with your subscription details. Support engineers provide format conversion guidance, recovery utilities, and migration assistance for accessing financial data across different Quicken versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.